Guys, I'm going to be doing the cauliflower fried rice. It's LD cauliflower fried rice. It's something you want to try and incorporate it into your weekly meals. I can't do without it. It's always in my freezer. I just freeze it, and when I don't have the time to cook, I just bring it out and serve the family and we eat it. And the kids love it. It's so kids friendly as well. So you want to try? Let's just dive in. We're going to start today with my butter. I've got a tablespoon of butter. We're going to put it into the frying pan. I'm putting it round so it's everywhere. And the next thing I will do is to put my chicken breast, the chopped chicken breast. I'll leave it to fry for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I'm going to turn it around to cook for another 30 seconds or more. Fry for 30 seconds now. I'm going to put it to the side. And the next thing I will do is to add my 2 eggs. The egg is ready, so I'll put it to the side as well. And the next thing I will do now is to add my cauliflower rice. Just the one you can buy it from the shop. It's up to you, or you can decide to use your food processor to make it a bit coarse, so you can use it like a couscous. Just leave it there to fry for a bit, to incorporate a bit butter into it. It's yummy, it's nice. Maybe leave it there to fry for 1 minute. You can actually use anything, any one of your choice. You can buy from the shop the cauliflower already riced, or you can do it at home, or you can buy the frozen cauliflower and do it at home as well, or you can buy the frozen cauliflower rice already, or you can buy the whole one and use it. It's up to you. Just do it as you want it. It's absolutely fine. All is okay. The only difference I've noticed is that when you use the frozen one, you leave it a bit longer to dry up a bit, unlike the fresh one that is a bit dry already. That's the only difference. Let's fry the bit in the butter. I'm going to mix everything together. Now I'm going to add my carrots. I'm using everything half cup, then a quarter cup of carrots. I'll add my spring onion, green onion. half a quarter cup as well. And I'll add my bell pepper, quarter cup as well. And I have my mushroom, quarter cup as well. And I'll mix all together. One more thing I will add is my soy sauce, 2.5 tablespoons of soy sauce. I don't know if I actually told you the cup of cauliflower I added. It's 1 cup and a quarter that I'm using today of cauliflower rice. I'm going to mix everything together now. I'll try to mix everything together so it's even and leave it to simmer for 3 minutes. I'm not going to add any other spices because the soy sauce is salty and so salty, so be careful if you're adding salt. But for me, I'm not going to add any salt or anything. I'll only add a bit of pepper, black pepper to it. Leaving it to simmer for 3 minutes, so I turn it occasionally and make sure it's on a low heat because it's just to simmer. Medium to low heat precisely. After 3 minutes, my cauliflower fried rice is ready. So mouth-watering, so nice. I hope you try it at home. Try it, it's so tasty as it is. As you can see, it's so colorful as well. And as colorful as it is, that's how tasty it is as well. Try it, you like it, and it's kids friendly. You know you want to incorporate what is good, balanced diet in your meal for the kids as well if you have one. So it's nice for your health and everything is very good. Try it and see how it goes. And don't forget to ask any question or comment down in the description box below in the comment box. And thumbs up for me, subscribe as well to my YouTube channel. I thank you so much for your time. I know how precious time is. So I thank you. I appreciate. Thank you. Bye.